What's going on, guys? This is Michael Rock and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into an amazing world of EDB files and everything that you want to know about them. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of creating, saving, modifying, and opening EDB files, along with some exciting updates that have made working with these files even easier. If you're looking to get some more familiar with ClassIn and maximize your efficiency when preparing for your classes, you've come to the right place. But before jumping to the step-by-step process, let me explain why I decided to make this video. Recently, I noticed that a lot of people are still confused about what exactly an EDB file is and how to use it effectively. In simple terms, an EDB file is a Blackboard file in ClassIn that allows you to prepare everything before your class even starts. By using an EDB file, you can quickly load images, text, and other content onto your Blackboard, so you don't have to do it on the fly while you're teaching. So with that introduction out of the way, let's start with the basics of creating an EDB file. First things first, to create an EDB file, you'll need to open ClassIn and look for a small icon located in the bottom left corner on the screen. Clicking on this icon will open the Blackboard editor, which is where all the magic happens. Now when it comes to uploading images onto your Blackboard, you essentially have two main options. The first method is straightforward. Go to the teaching tools, then click on Load Image Board File, and from there choose the image you want to upload. Click Open, and that's it. The image is now imported onto your Blackboard, ready to be used in your lesson. The second method for uploading images is just as easy as might even be more convenient depending on your workflow. If you already have an image open in another application, you can simply select the entire image using Command A or Control A depending on your operating system, then switch over to ClassIn and hit Paste, Command V or Control V. This method also works across different applications. For example, if you're working in Pages or another document editor, you can copy and paste images directly from there into your ClassIn and Blackboard. I'd love to hear from you in the comments about which method you prefer and what applications you like to use when preparing images for your classes. Alright, now that we've got our images on the Blackboard, let's talk about how to adjust them and explore the various options available. First of all, resizing an image is super simple. Just click, hold, and drag any of the corners to make the image larger or smaller. You can also rotate the image by clicking on the rotate icon and then holding and dragging to adjust the angle. Need more control? Click on the small circle at the bottom of the image to access even more options. For instance, you can lock the image in place to prevent it from being accidentally deleted or moved. If you want to ensure that the image stays the same size, you can also lock its dimensions. Another useful feature is the ability to change the order of the images on your Blackboard. Since all images are layered on top of each other, you can bring an image to the front and send it to the back by using the designated buttons. Want to duplicate an image? No problem. You can copy it as many times as you need. Just use the standard copy-paste commands or press and hold the Command-Control key, click on the image and drag it to create a copy. And if you need to delete the image, simply click on the delete icon or press the delete or backspace key on your keyboard. Next up, let's talk about adding text to your EDB file. Just like with images, you have two options here. The first method is to click on the text option in the Tools menu. Then click anywhere on the Blackboard to start typing your text. This is a quick and easy way to add notes, instructions, or any other text-based content to your lesson. The second method is similar to how we handled images. You can open any file from a different application, select the text you want, copy it, and then paste it onto your Blackboard. Once the text is on your Blackboard, you can treat it just like any other object. Click on the circle at the bottom of the text box to access options like changing the font size and color, locking the text in place, adjusting its position in the layer order, or deleting it if you no longer need it. After you've uploaded all the images you need and added all the text, it's time to save your EDB file so you can easily open it next time. To do this, click on the Teaching Tools menu and then select Save Share Board File, and you'll be presented with several options, but today we'll focus on Save to Local and Save to Drive. Personally, I usually save EDB files to my local drive when I know I'll only be accessing them from my laptop. However, if you want to be able to access your EDB file from any device, I recommend choosing the Save to Drive option. When it comes to opening an EDB file, the process is just as straightforward. To open an EDB file from your local drive, click on Teaching Tools and then choose Load Image Board File. From there, you can modify the file as many times as you need and save it over and over again. If you've saved your EDB file to your cloud drive, simply click on the drive icon and select the file you want to open. This is an incredibly convenient way to ensure that your files are always accessible, no matter where you are on what device you're using. So there you have it, basics of creating, saving and managing EDB files in ClassIn, along with some fantastic updates that make the process even smoother. I really hope that this video has been helpful, and if you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe buttons, and I'll see you very soon in the next video.